Tesla up 9% so far. Can it up more? I have one good news for the long-term investor and one warning, one alert for the short-term investor. Can we buy now? I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So Tesla, this stock is one of my favorite stock, and we have mentioned many times we are in the bottom based on the volume pattern, right? If you don't have my indicator, you can use the volume pattern to check. Okay, so we have some chips coming in here. If you have my indicator, you can tell clearly what's going on with this indicator called YM chip entry. I told you many times in weekly chart, the best is monthly chart, but it's very difficult to show you when they have the weekly chart, the green candle for the YM chip entry, basically to tell you, hey, the long-term investor come in. Hey, the long-term investor come in. Hey, the long-term investor come in. So basically, the past few weeks, we have investor come in. We have investor come in, right? So again, I told you with this indicator, this single indicator cannot be your indicator to buy or to sell. Okay, because since it dropped, the investor will come in, but it doesn't mean this is the absolute low. Remember, they have unlimited resources to buy. We have limited resources to buy. So we need to have a better indicator to tell us when can we enter, right? For example, you use YM Club Long, YM Club Fast. This is my exclusive indicator to tell you the trend. Remember, YM chip entry to tell you where the fund come in, right? Where the big fish come in. This indicator, YM Cup Long, YM Cup Fast, to tell you the trend. So we go back to the daily chart. Especially the blue line is very critical. The critical one to tell you, hey, this is downward trend. We don't hold any stock. Okay, you can do trading here, but that's it. And once they turn downward, you don't hold any stock. Okay, so you can see they go down until here. Basically, they have one big candle go above, that candle is above 4.97%. Okay, that big candle go above here, and we have the YM chip entry to tell you, hey, we have funding coming in, and they have candle go above both line. At the same time, the blue line changing direction. You see here from downward to upward. So far we are upward. Is it healthy? Yes. How about the instrument holding? The institution holding here, the YM chippers, you can see it's very good upward trend for the red bar. What is the red bar? The red bar is institution holding. You want to buy together with them. How to pull up the price is this red bar. Okay, if they have a lot of red bar, they can pull up the price. If they have a lot of green bars, it means individual, it cannot pull up the price. Okay, you can see all the way down, because institution is leaving. And institution come in here and build the base and go up again. Okay, so basically here is our good entry point, and we have a confirmation for YM chip entry. You can see here. If you want to look at the weekly chart, it's an even better indicator if you're more long-term investor. So you can see here and here we have another chips coming in. Okay, so this is the, if you use my indicator, you can clearly tell. If you don't use my indicator, you can also look at the volume pattern, which I mentioned many times. I will put the link in the end of this video. Have a look. You can learn it. And this is free. Okay, you can just look at the volume. It's more difficult, but it's possible. Okay, and then I want to show you, can we buy right now? Okay, if you did not follow my channel, click like, subscribe, share with your friend right now so you don't miss my video. Okay, so Tesla, can we buy now? I want to show you something. So if we look at this chart, if you has hold the Tesla together with us, again, this is only for education purpose. I want to show you what is going on right now. Can we buy now? Okay, so if we use this channel, this is something you can draw yourself, okay? You just link the top together and you can see so many times they touch it and then they come back down. And now we are very getting close. You see here, we just few dollars away. Okay, we just few dollars away. So if you hold stock, so basically you can see Tesla is bouncing inside this triangle. okay, bounce up. If it doesn't go above this channel, it will have a very good chance to come back down, okay? And this is weekly chart. We can also see the daily chart is the same, of course, just a bit like in this scale, okay? So it's the same thing. We are getting very, very close. So far, we are very strong. And we look at another indicator called YMOBOS. It means overbought, oversold, okay? So overbought. So what does it mean overbought? Do we buy when it is overbought? No, we buy when it is oversold. For example, you can see this purple candle. This is oversold signal. So basically, when the next candle go above this purple, we buy here also. Okay. So if you don't have my indicator, you can subscribe. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can also clearly see around here they have chips coming in. You have funding coming in, and then they are holding the red line go above the purple line. Okay, so basically it's a confirmation, hey, you can buy because you are buying together with the fund. Okay, the best buying is around here, right? So this candle, if you use OBOS or even the next candle, okay, the next candle is up 12%, but we still have institution coming in. So is it too far? So some people like, wow, the up 12% is very high, right? So some people they don't buy. But if you have my indicator, basically you can see, is it safe to buy? Yes, because you can see the big fund is coming in, and then the institution holding is also going up. Okay, so right now we have the yellow signal. What does it mean, yellow signal? When does it happen? It happened before. The yellow signal doesn't mean you need to sell right away. So it can happen for a few weeks also. You can see here. They happen for many, many days. When the yellow disappear, when the candle drop below, then you sell. Okay? Could happen to go above again. It could happen. It's just to tell you the risk. We buy when it is low risk. When we buy, it's like oversold period. It's better. Okay? So right now, what's going on? You can tell me. Right now, we have the yellow candle. Is it good time to buy? No. And if you don't have my indicator, you can also use this channel. So we are going to touch this channel, this line. So it's a very high chance either you wait because you're right at the edge. So you can wait when they go above, or you wait when they pull back and then you buy around here with my indicator called YM cup long run cup fast. It could go back to the red line or it could go back to the blue line. But so far, short term is upward. Middle term is upward. So it means the trend is still going upward, still strong. So this is the update for today. If you haven't bought Tesla, what happens is you need to wait this disappear first. Wait for the yellow candle disappear first. And then when you're getting close to the red line or blue line and the fund getting strong, going above this purple line, then this is a buy signal. Okay? So this is short term. For the long term, I want to tell you, for the long term investor, so when we look at the weekly chart, basically you can tell we have funding coming in. We have funding coming in. Do you think this is the peak right now? Do you really think that? Remember, the last time we happened, we also have a peak from 100. This price is around, so let's say the bottom to the top is around 110 to 300. Okay, so it's a big range here to go up. Okay, when they have the green candle for the weekly chart. Again, the last time here, which is even lower, is around 15. Around 15, and now we have the same signal. So is it the peak? No. When the big institution come in, they don't sell for short profit, especially for weekly chart or for monthly chart. Okay, those are for very long-term investor. Okay, for the daily chart is a bit shorter. The daily chart is a bit shorter, but still it's a very good sign. It doesn't just disappear and then you think this is a peak. No, no, you would take longer profit because those institutions, they don't trade for very short term. They trade for very, very long term. So I want to show you. For example, you can see the weekly chart. The weekly chart, we have here, okay, you can see the red. For the weekly chart, when they happen to have the green, when they buy, of course, they have a lot of lock chips, which is a green chips. The individual get locked. And then they come in from very low position. They increase the position to the top. They shake people out. They continue. They continue. They continue. As long as the weekly chart, the red bar over 50 is very healthy. Okay, until here, they come down. Okay, so this is the update for today. And for the long-term investor, if you don't want to do a lot of trade, you can hold it. Again, this is not a financial advisor, but it makes sense, right? The institution just come in. Is it right now the peak? No, it is possible they come back down again. It's possible because we are inside this big triangle. Is it possible? Yes, they come down. If it is not strong enough, it's very possible they come down and then they go up again. Okay, so this is the update today. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. I don't recommend you to do any trade. I just here to educate people how to read those charts. Don't lose your money because I know right now when the stock up 9%, people will rush in to buy. That's why we have the overbought signal, right? Because people rush in to buy. What happens is when you rush in to buy, most likely very, very soon they will come back down. Okay, so I just come here to educate you. Doing trade, we need a lot of patience and we need indicator. We need knowledge, okay? So this is the update today. I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. I see you next video. Bye.